This is Gary Smith of Radney Smith Funeral Home, and we're honored to be sponsoring the Veteran of the Month project here on WYEA. All military veterans deserve our deepest respect, recognition, and admiration for the decision they made to serve, defend, and protect our country. It is an honor to be a part of sharing some of their stories. Our Veteran of the Month for January is John Newberry. Mr. Newberry, a World War II veteran, joined the Navy in 1945 after turning 18. Upon completion of basic training at Macon, Georgia, Mr. Newberry was informed that he had rheumatic fever and was unable to continue serving in the military. Though he was not able to join his buddies overseas and was discharged 9 months later, Mr. Newberry continued to hold military values and the way of life in his heart and mind.
My rank was just a regular Navy. Well, all my friends were in there and everything, and it wasn't the same at home. Oh, I think I learned don't give up, and because I love my country.
Congratulations to John Newberry, our Veteran of the Month for January. We'd also like to thank American Legion Post number 45 for helping with the selection process. This is Gary Smith of Radney Smith Funeral Home in Sylacauga.